Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten password on the PrimeXBT Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PrimeXBT application on your device and then tap on the login button to proceed with logging into your account. Now in case you have forgotten your password, just tap on the Forgot Password button and you will be prompted to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account and then tap on Next. Now just verify your identity by solving a small CAPTCHA. Now you can check your inbox and you will find a verification code from PrimeXBT. Just enter this code within the given box and then click on Submit. You will now be allowed to create a new password for your account. Just type in your desired new password and then tap on the Finish Up button. Now as soon as you do this, you will also be allowed to create a new passcode. So type in your desired passcode and then type it in once again for confirmation. You will be asked whether you would like to allow biometric authentication as well. So choose whichever option you desire. And if you choose to enable, you will be asked to provide your biometrics. After providing your biometrics and setting up your new password, you will now be welcomed to your account once again. And you can now use your new password to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the PrimeXBT Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.